What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can convert USDT to BTC on Bybit. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google. Now here, I'm just going to search for Bybit and I'll go to bybit.com. When the bybit.com, you have to log into your account. If you do not have any account, you can actually continue or create an account with the link in the description and you'll get a lot of benefits. If you already have an account, you can try clicking the link in the descriptions. You might be able to get some benefits as well. So once you do that, what you have to do is you just have to, simply click on this trade. And in the trade, you will see these options popped out. Here, click on convert. Clicking on this convert will bring up this. Here, as you can see, you can convert from whichever cryptocurrency you want to whichever you want. Now, in this case, you want to convert USDT to BTC. So I'm just going to exchange it. And there you go. This is how you can convert your USDT to BTC. You just have to select the amount you want to transfer. Suppose you want to transfer 2000 USDT to BTC. It will give you the right quota and you will be able to do that. You will have to pay the fee as well, which you will be able to see right here. Now, in this case, I do not have enough balance, so it is just telling me that you do not have enough balance, but in your case, you'll be able to do it right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.